in this video I'm going to be teaching you how to do a banded glute bridge. So you just need one of these mini bands. If you don't have any bands, that's okay. Just try to make sure that you're doing it where your knees are being pushed out. This just adds resistance, so then it engages the glutes more, okay? So you can use a band like this. If you need to go with a light band, that's totally fine. All you're doing is putting your legs through and bring it up onto your knees. I like to have it above my knee, above my kneecap, sorry. Okay, and then you're just laying down. Get your heels nice and close to your bum. Push your knees out and squeeze your bum, okay? Come back down. So when you come up, squeeze, push your knees out, push off of the floor, like off of your heels, hold for 3 seconds and back down. What I don't want to see is you coming up and pushing your belly up, okay? That's not a good position to be in. You're engaging your glutes here only, okay? You really just want to squeeze your butt cheeks really, really hard. Both of them. Okay, so again, squeeze and down. Squeeze and down. So make sure you're pushing the knees out, squeeze your bum. Don't overextend at the back. Your upper back should stay on the ground, and you're just moving at the hips and down. Okay, so that's how you do a banded glute bridge.